Hey guys, what's up? Today I've got here with me the Xiaomi Redmi 10A. This is the 4GB 128GB model, and this is the box packed brand new. So we will be unboxing this phone, and this is the PTA version, so that it's unlocked and no problems at all with the verification. So we're going to unbox it and see what's inside. So moving on, we'll be opening the box inside. Good lamination, I would say. And this is opening of the box. Okay. So this is the device in question. So this is the phone. It's a jet black color with some linings in between, and there is the camera design overall. It has three cameras, I would think, yeah, and there's a fingerprint sensor in between. So it gives a whole area. It's very nicely designed, I would say, unique in that aspect. The phone is good in the feel, and it's not especially light or not so heavy, so it's perfectly balanced. And there is the specs sheet in front of office, which says that it has a 6.53-inch drop display along with the 13 megapixel dual camera. So it's a dual camera, and there's a 5 megapixel rear front selfie camera. I don't know how that would work out. So there's a 5000 mAh lithium battery, and there's the MediaTek chip inside the phone. So now we'll be looking at the things inside the box. Okay, so this is a SIM card tool. I assume there is the anything else. Yeah, there is the, I think, the instruction sheet inside this uh, panel or boxing, and we're opening this up, and yeah, I would suppose that's it. There it is. And there's a warranty notice as well, along with some other paperwork. This is the 10-watt charging brick along with the charging cable, and assume there is probably something else as well too. No, I don't think so. There is anything. I assume the earphones must have been there, but probably not included in the box. And this is the device, and now we shall. That's a good display, I would say. Pretty large, 6.53-inch display, and pressing the power button, and there's the wind response. So now we wait for the phone to power up. I should give the brief rundown about the Xiaomi Redmi 10A. So as I mentioned before, it has a 4GB 128GB RAM ROM setup, along with Android 11 in this phone, and this is the lower end budget market of the smartphones, and this is Xiaomi's one of the Xiaomi's trademark bread and butter design philosophy in this phone. But the thing is, the Xiaomi Redmi 10C has a Snapdragon chip, and this one has a MediaTek processor. So that remains to be seen. In my experience, the MediaTek chips are not as good as the Snapdragon chips. So as the phone is turning on, we can see that it has almost 50% battery, and there is the operating software in Xiaomi's MIU 12.5 version. So after the setup, it was quite a long setup. This is the phone. This is a display. It has a very nice display in my opinion. Even though display is 720p display, but the responsiveness and the overall, this is the, I think, Android 12 version. I was mistaken. So this is the MIUI version of that. So this is the phone, and I'll be uploading a comprehensive review later on. So stay tuned. So if you like my video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and see you around.